In today's society, let me be honest, men can't attract women and can't be the man women wants. So girls and women cheat on men because of men are not enough attractive physically, masculine and mentally, don't know how to treat a woman. Most of men think if they do the yes man's method, his woman will fall for him, but no, fuck no. She will just get away with you. In this video, I'm gonna tell you 3 things that if you apply in your relationship, makes her obsessed with you and fall in love with you. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to HighValue Man and turn on notifications so you won't miss next videos, and also learn how to become an attractive and high value man. 1. Be mysterious. Being mysterious is the key of seducing a woman mentally, because she can't predict your next move. For example, you saw this video before, but I put the video here.
You smell like strawberries.
It's my lip gloss.
Cool. Does it taste like it smells?
You want to find out?
Sure.
See, by being mysterious, she can't predict your next move, so she will be thinking to you moves you made, what she expected and what actually happened, moves you're gonna make, what are the possibilities, and what any of those moves mean, and blah blah blah. You see, she will think about you day and night. While she's in the class, while she's walking home, while driving, while lifting weights in gym, while laying in the bed. And the more she thinks about you, the more she will fall in love with you. 2. Bring quarrels. What is men expecting of a complete relationship is that you both are treating good each other all the time, and there is no argue or quarrels in the relationship. But this is wrong as fuck. A complete relationship have dips and highs, quarrels and sad moments, also enjoying and happy moments as equals. Quarrels have to be in relationship, bro. And let me tell you, if you don't bring quarrels and sad moments to relationship, your girl will bring. So it is not a thing that you can escape or prevent. You have to accept it, man. But I'm telling you that in 70% times, it's better that you yourself bring the quarrel to the relationship. I'm not telling you to fight her every day so you can keep your relationship. No, in like 2 or 3 weeks, you can argue once, and by doing this, you bring the balance to relationship so it survives. 3. Don't stick to her. I don't know what the fuck is that mean. What the fuck is this mean that you are texting her every day for 5 hours? You want to see her and have a date every other day. What the fuck is that mean? As a high value man, you have things to do. You have to do your routine. You have business. You also have a big social circle with a lot of friends, so you don't give all of your time to her. When you give all of your time to her, it gives a vibe to her that you are a worthless and low value man, so you don't have any other thing to do just to texting her. And the worst side of men are men that cancels and refuses to do their fucking business to get her out or texting her. That's disgusting, man. Just don't be in this side of men. They're fucking disgusting. You have to get her out once or twice a week and just texting 1 hour a day. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to High Value Man so you don't miss next videos, and you can be a part of our movement to be in 10% of men side. The high value men side.